1. Collect and compile data. Data analysts work to collect data from a variety of sources, including internal databases, external data providers, and public sources. They are responsible for compiling, cleaning, and organizing data to ensure its accuracy and completeness. 2. Analyze data. Once the data has been collected and compiled, data analysts use a variety of statistical techniques to analyze the data. They use tools such as Excel and statistical software to create visualizations and perform detailed analysis to uncover patterns and insights in the data. 3. Interpret data. Data analysts must have strong analytical skills to interpret the data and provide insights to inform business decisions. They must be able to identify trends, correlations, and relationships among the data to provide meaningful insights to stakeholders. 4. Develop reports and presentations. Data analysts are responsible for communicating their findings to other team members and stakeholders. They must create reports and presentations that effectively communicate the insights and recommendations derived from the data analysis.